Good morning friends. Today we have academic activity on reproductive and child health program, adolescent health and geriatric health. Rather than using a blackboard or PowerPoint, we try to use other methodology, that is quiz competition. Today we will cover maternal component of RCH program, adolescent health and geriatric health. Child component of RCH program will be covered in second part of the quiz competition on 21st October. So let's begin this program. For quiz we have selected 5 teams from 7 semester students. Each team consists of 2 students. All students were given sufficient time for the preparation of quiz. Now before proceeding to the quiz, let's have a look on the components of RCH program. So, reproductive and child health program, next please. What are the components of RCH program? Next. So, ask to Chennai Express. So, what is the Chennai Express? Next. So, C stands for cold chain system, community participation. H for health management information system, monitoring and evaluation. E for equity for gender. N for newborn and child health through IMACR, that is integrated management of neonatal and childhood illness, including diarrheal disease control program, respiratory tract infection control program, breastfeeding, baby friendly hospital initiative, immunization, etc. Again N for no anemia, no vitamin A deficiency, it includes vitamin A deficiency control program and the prevention and control of anemia. A for adolescent health, I for intersectoral coordination, E for excellent tribal health. Now again X for excellent urban health. Then P, there are 3 P's: polio eradication with the help of pulse polio immunization program, public-private partnership, procurement and logistics. Then R for reproductive tract and sexually transmitted infections control program. E for essential obstetric care, that is maternal health. S for sound BCC strategy, that is behavior change communication. And S for stabilization of population. So Chennai Express welcomes you all, and please keep this word in your mind. Chennai Express, definitely it will help you. So Chennai Express will tell you all the components of RCH program. Thank you. Now I request all the participants, all 10 participants to sit on the chair. All participants, please come. So we have 5 teams. First team is surveillance, second team is screening, third team is monitoring, fourth team is evaluation, and the last team and fifth team is supervision. Now I request my colleague Dr. Reshma Patil to begin with the general instructions for quiz. Thank you.
Hello and good morning friends. I am Dr. Reshma. I will be telling you the general instruction for quiz. So all of you, the participants and audience, please listen it carefully. All questions in the quiz are totally based on PARC, that is a textbook for community medicine, and that book on National Health Program, that is J. Kishore. There are total 4 rounds in the quiz. That is, first is a short answer round, then multiple choice questions, abbreviation round and rapid fire round. Rules for each round will be told to you at the time of each round. There is no negative scoring system. Please keep in mind that first attempt of answering the question will be taken as a last attempt. In case of any query regarding any answer, final decision will be taken by our juries. This was especially for the participants. Now for the audience. There are few questions for audience also, and for correct answer they will get a little sweet gift. Another important instruction is that please switch off your mobile phones, no prompting, and don't use your books for telling any answer to the participants. Now today, I'll just introduce. We have with us juries, Dr. Reval sir, Professor of Department of Community Medicine, and Dr. Jayashree Gothadkar, Professor of Department of Community Medicine. Welcome, madam and sir. We also have bail keeper, our PG student, Dr. Randive, and scorekeeper, Dr. Sudhanshu. Welcome both of you. Now, with our jury's permission, I'll tell Rahul, Dr. Rahul, to start with the quiz. So we will begin with the first round of the quiz, that is short answer question. Okay? Yes, Rahul. So all the participants are ready? Yes or no? Okay. Best of luck.
So, all 5 teams ready for quiz? Yes, sir. So, can I start first round of this quiz competition? Yes, sir. So, before proceeding to the first round, I am reading the instructions for the first round. Now, this is a round where each team has to answer in one word. There will be 2 sub-rounds in this round. Each sub-round will consist of 5 questions. So total 10 questions will be asked in this round. There is no negative marking system. One correct answer carries 5 marks and wrong answer carries 0 mark. The time limit for each question is 1 minute. If concerned team says pass, same question will be passed to the next team and so on. For correct answer, team will get bonus 5 marks. If none of the teams is able to answer the question, it will pass to the audience. And for correct answer, audience will get sweet gift. So these are the instructions for the first round. So let's start first round, that is answer in one word round. So I can start with the surveillance team. Surveillance team ready? You can use mic. Audience ready?
Yes, sir.
Scorekeeper, bellkeeper ready? Your question is, what is India's current maternal mortality rate?
16.3%.
No, this is the wrong answer. This is the wrong answer. Next team, evaluation team.
19%.
This is the wrong answer. Next team, supervision team.
16.7%.
16.7%. This is also wrong answer. Now question to the audience now. Audience, what is the current maternal mortality rate of India? Anybody from audience? 14% no.
16.5.
16.5 no. Last chance. 22% no. So the correct answer is the current maternal mortality rate is 254 per 1 lakh live births as per 2011 statistics. Okay? Now the next question to the screening team. Screening team ready? Your question is, which intrauterine contraceptive device is being provided free of cost under government scheme?
Copper T.
Which intrauterine contraceptive device? There are many types of devices. Which specific contraceptive? Which specific ID? There are different types of IDs.
Copper T388.
Copper T388. This is the correct answer. So copper T388. This copper T is being provided free of cost under the government program. 5 months. Now the next question to the monitoring team. Your question. Monitoring team ready? Your question. Your question is, under which government scheme pregnant women belonging to BPL, that is below poverty line, are eligible to get cash benefit for institutional delivery? Did you get my question? Should I repeat it? They say pass. Next team. Same question. Evaluation team.
So JSY.
JSY stands for?
Janani Suraksha Yojana.
Say loudly.
Janani Suraksha Yojana.
Janani Suraksha Yojana. This is the correct answer. So JSY is a scheme where the cash incentives are given to the pregnant mother for institutional delivery. This is the correct answer. Now, the question goes to monitoring team. No, evaluation team. Sorry. Now, the question for evaluation team. Evaluation team ready?
Yes, sir.
Your question is, under National Nutritional Anemia Prophylaxis Program, how much iron and folic acid is given to the pregnant mother?
Iron 100 grams and folic acid 5. Folic acid 5
Say it
mcg.
properly. Say it properly.
Iron 100 grams and folic acid 500 mcg.
This is the wrong answer. Next team.
100 milligrams.
Next team. Supervision.
100 milligrams of iron and 0.5 milligrams of folic acid for 100 days.
100 milligram of elemental iron plus 0.5 milligram of folic acid. This is the correct answer. Very good. So the 100 milligram of elemental iron plus 0.5 milligram of folic acid for 100 days. This is the correct answer. Now the question goes to supervision team. Supervision team ready?
Yes, sir.
So your question is, how many eligible couples are there per 1,000 population in India? How many eligible couples are there per 1,000 population in India?
$75.
75. No, this is the wrong answer. The question goes to surveillance team. 300 couples. This is the wrong answer. Question goes to screening team.
600 couples.
600 couples. This is also wrong answer. The question goes to the monitoring team.
224.
224. This is the wrong answer. The question goes to the evaluation team.
150 to 180.
150 to 180. Absolutely correct answer. 150 to 180 eligible couples per 1,000 population. Excellent. Evaluation team. So we have finished the first sub round. Now the next sub round is the first round. Again, I will start from the surveillance team. Please give me the mic. Surveillance team ready? So your question, surveillance team. Your question is, under which government program free and cashless services including transport are provided to pregnant women and newborn baby?
Janani Suraksha Yojana.
Janani Suraksha Yojana. This is the wrong answer. Question goes to the screening team.
जननी शिक्षक करोयन scheme.
No, this is the wrong answer. The question goes to the monitoring team. Think and then answer. Huh? Under which government program free and cashless services including transport are provided to the pregnant woman and newborn baby? Evaluation team.
जननी शिशु सुरक्षा कार्यक्रम.
Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakram. This is absolutely correct answer. Very good. Evaluation team. Now my next question to screening team. Screening team ready? Now the question for screening team. Under RCH program, which kit is provided to primary health center?
Kit D.
Kit D. Absolutely correct answer. So kit is provided at the primary health center. Very good. Now the question for monitoring team. Monitoring team ready? Your question. Under which project of India there is an 8-member expert committee to examine the policy questions connected with the old age and also to make concrete recommendations for welfare of the geriatric group?
What is this?
OASIS. Can you tell me the full form of this OASIS?
Old age, social and income security.
Absolutely correct answer. OASIS. Old age social and income security OASIS project. Very good. Monitoring team. Now the question for evaluation team now. Evaluation team ready? Now the question for evaluation team. Adolescents constitute how much population of India?
50%.
50.
Yes.
No, this is the wrong answer. The question goes to supervision team. %, 70. This is wrong answer. The question goes to surveillance team.
60 to 67%.
60 to 67%. No. This is wrong answer. The question goes to screening team.
23%.
23%. This is absolutely correct answer. So the adolescent constitute 23% of total population of India. Correct answer. Now the question goes to supervision team. Supervision team ready? This is the last question of this round. Your question is ready? Which hormonal contraceptive is available under social marketing scheme?
Mala D.
Mala D. 100% correct answer. So Mala D, this hormonal contraceptive is available under the social marketing scheme. So thus we have finished the first round. And Sudhanshu, can we have the score please?
The surveillance got 0 marks, screening 50, monitoring 5, evaluation 50, and supervision 10 marks.
Give them a big hand. Still you have a lot of scope. This is the first round. Still we have to finish the 3 rounds. So you have this big opportunity for scoring. Don't worry. Now I request Dr. Reshma Patil to proceed for second round.
So now we will begin with the second round. I'll first tell you the rules of the second round. So this is a multiple choice question round. For this in this round, each team will be provided, for each question there are 4 options are there and we have to tell the correct option. There will be 2 questions, 2 sub-rounds are there. In each sub-round there is 1 question. So total 2 questions will be asked for you in this round. Okay? Correct answer will get 5 marks and wrong answer will get 0 marks. If the particular team says pass, then the question will be again proceeded to the next team and so on. If none of the team can answer the question, the same question will be passed to the audience. Okay? And time limit for each of the question is 1 minute. Okay? Shall we start with this round? All the teams are ready? Okay, so first question is for the surveillance team. Following is not a goal for RCH 1000 live births, to reduce maternal mortality rate to 150 per 1 lakh live births, to achieve couple protection rate of 65%, and to achieve 100% registration of birth, death and marriage. So these are the 4 options. Okay. To reduce infant mortality rate to 35 per 1000 live births, to reduce maternal mortality rate to 150 per 1 lakh live births, to achieve couple protection rate of 65% and to achieve 100% registration of birth, death and marriage. So which is the correct option for goal of RCH2? No, wrong answer. Okay. So the goal of RCH2 is not including to achieve 100% registration of birth, death and marriages. Basically there are 4 goals in RCH2, that is to reduce infant mortality rate, to reduce maternal mortality rate, to achieve couple protection rate of 65%, then to achieve population growth by 16.2% by 2011 to 2012 and and total fertility rate. So these are the 5 goals of RCH2. So this was the wrong answer. Surveillance team. Shall we proceed to the next team? Screening team. Okay. Are you ready? Palpitation. Postcoital contraception is recommended within, your options are 6 hours of unprotected intercourse, 24 hours of unprotected intercourse, 48 hours of unprotected intercourse and 72 hours of unprotected intercourse.
Answer is D.
Yes, right. So, postcoital contraception is recommended within 72 hours. So, screening team has answered it correctly. Clap for them. So, you have to give advice to that particular couple that after 72 hours, if they take this OC pill or postcoital contraception, then there is chances of pregnancy or risk of pregnancy is increases. Also, the repeated use of these pills should be avoided because it reduces the effectiveness and chances of pregnancy increases, and also the side effect of the particular contraception are there. So, these postcoital pills are not recommended each time. So, we proceed to the next team, monitoring team. Following type of OC pills are available under government scheme at primary health center level. Mala N, Mala D, progesterone only pill and male pill. Yes, answer is correct. So, at PHC level, that is at primary health center level, Mala N, these pills are available which are free of cost. Other pills are also available, that is Mala D. The cost of Mala D is ₹3 per strip. Okay, so to reduce the population, Government of India is providing such type of pills free of cost. Clap for them. Coming to the next team, that is evaluation team. The most common cause of maternal mortality in India is, your options are eclampsia, cardiac diseases, hemorrhage, abortion. Which is the commonest cause of maternal mortality in India? Wrong. So the correct answer is hemorrhage. That is 38% of the mothers they die because of hemorrhage. There are other different, what are options I told you? Eclampsia, cardiac diseases, abortion. These are also the reasons for the maternal mortality. And in addition to this, weak administrative, then technical, logistic capacity, inadequate financial investment and lack of skilled health personnel. These are also other reasons which are responsible for higher maternal mortality in India. But the commonest one is the hemorrhage. Come to the next team. That is the family welfare program. In family welfare program, score of 1 is given to which rate? Your options are birth rate, net reproductive achieve a goal of 2-child norm. Okay, this can be achieved only if 60% of eligible couple they practices the family planning effectively. Then only it is possible to achieve the goal of net reproduction rate 1. Okay, so this we have finished the first sub-round of the second round. I will begin with the second sub-round of the second round. Now again question will start from surveillance team. In emergency contraception, which progesterone is used? Your options are norethistérone, medroxyprogesterone, testosterone, levonorgestrone.
Even not just.
Yes, correct. So surveillance team has answered correctly. In the emergency contraceptives, progesterone use is levonorgestrel. How much it is? Can you tell me that? The amount of levonorgestrel used in this pill? There are different pills are there. 60. No, it is 0.75 milligram. Okay? Okay. Now we will go to the next team, that is screening team. Of following which is conventional contraceptive? IUCD, Nirod, OC pills, coitus interruptus. Okay. Of following which is conventional contraceptive? IUCD, Nirod, OC pills, coitus interruptus. So for this you should first know what is by conventional contraceptive.
And B.
Wrong. So correct answer is Nirod. So what is by conventional contraceptives? Anybody? Come audience. What is by conventional contraceptives? These are the methods that require the action at the time of sexual intercourse. So condom or the Nirod is the one which is used as a conventional contraceptive. Okay. Now question for the monitoring team. Which contraceptive method is more suitable for adolescents? Condom, IUCD, OC pills, periodic abstinence. Yeah. Your options are, should I repeat the question also? Which contraceptive method is more suitable for adolescents? Condom, IUCD, OC pills, periodic abstinence. Wrong. I gave you time also. This is wrong. OC pills is the ideal contraceptive which can be used for adolescent. Why? Because adolescent is the ideal age group for OC pills as the risk of cardiac diseases is very less in this age group. So they can use OC pills. Of course, repeated use should be avoided, but still they can use this OC pills. Okay. For evaluation team now. Ready?
Yes.
Following is not a component of kit A. ORS, iron folic acid, paracetamol, vitamin A. Yes, right, correct. So this team has given a correct answer. Please clap for them. So these are the kits which are available at what level? Do you know this? Kit A is available at which level? Yes, sub-center level. So it is to reduce the mortality rate, especially for the mothers and infant. The kits are made available. Okay, so this kit contains paracetamol so that the Anganwadi worker or the ANM, she will give the treatment for the febrile child. Okay, to reduce the mortality. Next is the supervision team. Following is not a major strategy under second phase of RCH. Institutional delivery, skilled attendant at delivery, operationalization of PHCs, primary health center and community health centers round the clock, and training of doctors. These are the options. delivery, operationalization of primary health center committees health center, and training of doctors is not included in this. So this is the major strategies. Okay. Now thus we have finished the second round of this quiz. Okay. So Sudhanshu, please tell us the scores.
The total score of surveillance team is 5 marks. The total score of monitoring is 10 and supervision is 15. The leading teams are screening and evaluation getting 20 marks each.
Oh. Now, audience, please don't get disappointed. There are questions for you also. So, at subcenter level, which kit contains ORS? Kit A. Yes, correct. Who has given answer? Yeah. Jadhav, please give. No, only one. Only one person. Give him 2 chocolates. Arey, clap for them. Okay, so thus we have completed this round. Now we will begin with the third round. Now we just a minute.
Now there is one question for audience. Audience ready?
Yes, sir.
So the question for you: how much cash incentive is given to acceptors of vasectomy operation under the government program?
600.
4800.
600.
Yes? 1500. No, this is the wrong answer.
600. 600.
600. No, this is the wrong answer. Last chance.
1000.
1000. One more chance.
48.
48 what? 48 rupees. 4800. No.
200.
No. The correct answer is 1100 rupees. So under the family welfare program, we give 1100 rupees to the acceptors of the vasectomy operation. Okay. So 1100 rupees is the correct answer for this. Correct.
So now we begin with the third round, that is a abbreviation round. People like short forms, right? In your papers also people write short forms like because, BECOZ. So that's why we have kept this round. Abbreviation round. From this, we will try to find out whether you know the full forms of those abbreviations. Now rules for this round. There will be 5 abbreviations, 1 abbreviation for each team. You will get 1 minute time for answering the question or obtaining the full form of that particular abbreviation. Correct answer will get 5 marks, wrong answer will get 0 marks. Okay? And passing of question is there, but marks will not be given for that. Okay? So, should we begin with this round? I'll write the abbreviation here. You can see this, all the teams. So first abbreviation is for the first team, surveillance team, ICTC.
Integrated Counseling and Testing Center.
Yes, correct. So this team surveillance will get 5 marks. But can you tell me more information regarding this ICTC? This is for what? In Bharti Hospital, whether it is available or not?
Yeah, it's available in Bharti Hospital. It's for testing and counseling regarding HIV/AIDS. And the patient is first counseled about the testing procedure.
Right.
Then they undergo the test. Then after the test, they also get counseling.
Yes. So if the results are positive or the negative, counseling of the patient is done, and if the result is positive, then they are given the counseling or they are told where the treatment will be available. Okay. So ICTC center has a big role for the knowing regarding the HIV/AIDS and for control and prevention of HIV/AIDS. Okay. So now the next abbreviation for team screening. Your abbreviation is RHIME, that is RHIME. the maternal mortality rates.
Reproductive health.
You have time, so you can try for it. No prompting from audience, huh? So you have finished the time? Okay. Any team you want to try?
Re-establish or resample,
It is not re-established. Resampled. Yes.
resampled health of interview of medical
No,
evaluation.
no, no, wrong. Any other team you want to try? Yes? From audience?
Representative example.
Yes? You know, you don't know, otherwise I'll tell you. It is given in part. It is representative, resampled, routine household interview of mortality with medical evaluation. That is RHIME. So, this interview of mortality from 2002 onwards, SRS included, this is a new method to find out the maternal deaths, to find out what is the reason, under what circumstances the maternal death has occurred. Okay, so this is a RHIME. It's a part of SRS. What is it? SRS, that is Sample Registration System. Okay. Coming to the next team, that is team monitoring. TCP and DT. Yes, monitoring team. This is a very famous problem which was there continuously in newspapers. Continuous discussion were there on television also. You should know this.
If you don't know the answer, say pass. So the next team will answer that question.
Pass.
Yes, evaluation team, don't know. Any other team? Supervision, surveillance, screening, don't know.
The question
Audience?
goes to the audience.
Yes, can you
Prenatal
try?
diagnostic technique.
Preconception and
Only one person, please.
preconception and prenatal diagnostic technique.
Yes, preconception and prenatal diagnostic techniques. So this is related to what? Why this act is there? Yes? Why? Why this act has been given by Government of India? What was the problem actually?
Sex.
Yes, female feticide. So, prohibition of sex selection, this act was launched by Government of India. Okay. Then, next for evaluation team. RKS in NRHM. You know NRHM, National Rural Health Mission. This is one of the important part, RKS. You know or you don't know? Okay, next team. Pass. Any other team? Surveillance, screening, monitoring? You know or you don't know? Don't know. Audience? It is given in National Health Program. That is Rogi Kalyan Samiti. So this is basically a register system, register society, and acts by group of trustees for the hospital to manage the affairs of hospital and also for the advantage of the patients. This Samiti is working for the patient's benefit, okay, as well as for the hospital. Next, for supervision team, I, that is COPC. This is one professional organization related with OBGYN. So a big clue I have given you.
Family, obstetrics, gynecology,
No, wrong.
fellowship, obstetrics.
Yes, correct. So surveillance team has given a correct answer. Okay. So this is Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecology Society of India. This is a professional organization representing the practitioners of obstetrics and gynecology in India. Now this we have finished the third round of this quiz. Okay. There is one abbreviation for the audience also. RBSK. It's a new program that is launched in February 2013 in India. The inauguration was done by Sonia Gandhi in Maharashtra. Especially for the children less than 18 years of age.
Yes, Abhisha. Yes.
राष्ट्रीय बाल स्वास्थ्य कार्यक्रम.
राष्ट्रीय बाल स्वास्थ्य कार्यक्रम.
स्वास्थ्य कार्यक्रम.
Correct.
You will get chocolates. So this program is basically for the children who are less than 18 years, and there is a team are made by government which each team consists of 2 medical officers, 1 pharmacist and 1 nurse. They do the school health checkup, and for the problematic child or they are having any disease, either according to the requirement they provide the medicines and the referrals were done. Okay, so this is the new program which has been started in India. So this we have finished the third round of this quiz. Okay, now I will tell Dr. Rahul to proceed with the next round. Before that, Dr. Sudhanshu, please tell us the score part. I think in this round, none of the team has scored. All the teams have got it. No, for that marks were not given. Sorry. So 5 marks for that team.
The total scores are: surveillance got 10 marks, screening 20, monitoring 10, evaluation 20, and supervision 50.
Give them a big hand. So the last round now, the 4th round, and I'm just reading the instructions for the 4th round. This is a rapid fire round, and in this round each team will be given 1 minute, and in that duration each team has to answer the maximum questions. One correct answer gives 5 marks and wrong answer gives 0 mark. There will be no negative marking system, and also there will be no questions for the audience. So audience, sorry. If you don't know the answer, you can say pass so that we can ask the next question to the next team. In case if I complete the question and time is over, concerned team will get chance to answer the question. But if the question is not completed and timing bell rings, concerned team cannot answer the question. So these are the instructions. Can we proceed for 4th round?
Yes.
So the first team, that is surveillance team. So surveillance team ready? You have 1 minute. Bellkeeper ready? Your time starts now. Janani Suraksha Yojana is 100% centrally sponsored scheme. True or false?
True.
Right. What is the age bracket for adolescent group?
19 to 24 years.
Wrong. It's a 10 to 19 years. Under the National Nutrition Anemia Prophylaxis Program, For how many days IFA tablets are given to the pregnant woman?
100 days.
Correct. How many types of color coded kits are available for RTI STI management under the National AIDS Control Program?
4.
Wrong. It's a 7. Which is the first country in the world to launch family planning program?
India.
Correct. 5 cleans are for the prevention of which disease?
Neonatal tetanus.
Correct. Under RCH program, kit E to P are kept at which healthcare facility level?
FRU CH3.
Correct. It's a FRU CSC level. Correct. Family welfare linked. Okay. So time is over. So how many questions they answered?
Total 7 questions are asked. They answered 5 right answers.
So out of 7 questions, they answered 5 questions correctly. Put your big hand. Now next team. Which team? Screening. Screening team ready? Okay. Bellkeeper. Time ready? Okay. Your time starts now. Family welfare linked health insurance scheme is implemented through which bank? ICICI. Correct. What is the age criteria for wife in eligible couple? 20. Wrong. It's a 15 to 45 years. Mifepristone can be used in postpartum contraception. True or false?
True.
Right. How much amount a motivator receives as an incentive for trabectomy under family planning program? Wrong. It's a 150 rupees. For senior citizens, 50% discount on basic fare for travel in economy class in Jet Airways is available. True or false?
True.
Right. Young people, this term includes which age group? Pass. It's a 10 to 24 years. Teaching home economics and nutrition. Okay, the question is not complete, so I cannot ask this question. So how many questions they have answered?
Total 6 questions are asked, out of which they answered 3 questions right.
So out of 6 questions they have answered 3. Put your hand. Now next team, monitoring team. Ready? Bellkeeper ready? So your time starts now. Teaching home economics and nutrition is also part of family planning services. True or false?
True.
Right. There is no national policy for older persons. True or false?
False.
Right. Which act deals with the provision of guaranteed services for the maintenance and welfare of parents and senior citizens?
False.
In our Bharti hospital, Janani Suraksha Yojana is not implemented. True or false?
True.
Wrong. False. On which day every year International Women's Day is celebrated? NFHS stands for. NFHS stands for. Under which scheme gynecologists from private sector can volunteer to provide safe motherhood services? Which millennium? Okay, I cannot answer this question. So how many questions they have answered?
7 questions are asked, out of which they answered 2 questions right.
So out of 7 they have answered 2. Okay, give them a big hand. Now next team is evaluation team. Next is evaluation team. Ready? Okay. So Bellkeeper ready? So your time starts now. Which Millennium Development Goal is related to improvement in the maternal health? Goal number 4 or goal number 5? Wrong, it's a goal number 5. Multiply with the calculation of Pearl index is 1000 or 1200?
1200,
Correct. RCH phase 2 began from which year?
2005,
Absolutely correct. Syndromic approach is a suitable approach for the management of STIs and RTIs. True or false?
true,
Right. Cash assistance given to ASHA under JSY in the rural area of low performing state is how much?
200,
Wrong.
600, 600,
No, wrong. Copper T380A is approved for the use of how many years?
5 years,
Wrong, it's a 10 years. Most common sexually transmitted infection is?
pass,
Helpage India is the NGO working for geriatric population. True or false?
True.
Right. Under RCH program, kit A is supplied at subcentral level. True or false? True. Right. What is the failure rate of condom per 100 women years?
2 to 3%.
No, it's a 2 to 3 to 14 pregnancy. Wrong. So, how many questions they have answered?
They asked 10 questions, out of which they answered 5 questions right.
So, out of 10 questions, they answered 5 questions. Give them a big hand. Now, the last team, supervision team. Timekeeper ready? Okay. Supervision team ready? Your time starts now. Which antiretroviral drug is commonly preferred under PPTCT or PMTCT program? Wrong. It's a nevirapine. Commonest complaint of women fitted with an IUD is?
Infection?
No, wrong. It's an increased vaginal bleeding. Under MTP Act, if pregnancy exceeds 12 weeks and is not more than 20 weeks, opinion of how many registered medical practitioners is necessary to terminate pregnancy?
2.
Correct. Annapurna scheme is related with provision of free grocery to the senior citizens who are below poverty line. True or false?
False.
Wrong. It's a true. What is the dose of levonorgestrel used in postcoital contraception?
Pass.
In low performing states for eligibility of JSY Yojana, there is no age criteria. True or false?
True.
Correct. DLHS stands for?
Pass.
Under family planning program, how much money IUD receptors get as an incentive? You can answer this question.
How much money?
Yeah, it's a 75 rupees. So how many questions they have answered?
They asked 8 questions, out of which they answered 2 right questions.
So out of 8 questions they answered 2 questions. So give them a big hand. Okay, so thus we have finished the last round, that is rapid fire round, and if we get scores, just remember the Chennai Express that we have made mnemonic for to remember all the components of RCH program. So I think this is one of the important aspects of today's activity. So henceforth you should remember the Chennai Express. You can write it down somewhere in your notebook so that you can remember all the RCH components. And we try to cover the important aspects of the RCH program. Understood? Now I request Grewal sir and Kotankar madam to come on the stage. I request Grewal sir and Kotankar madam to come on the stage. No, sir, so you please, then we will proceed further. We have given her some time for the scoring. All 5 teams, please stand up. Now I request Sudhanshu to first announce the scores of all the teams and then announce the winner team. Huh?
So, the monitoring team got 20 marks. Clap for them. The supervision team got 25 marks. And there is time between surveillance and screening teams. They got 35 marks. The winner is evaluation team with the mark of 1.
So we have finished our quiz competition and the winner team is evaluation team. They got 45 marks. Now I request Kotankar madam and Grewal sir to give prize to the evaluation team. Now friends, don't forget this word Chennai Express. It will help you a lot. Now I conclude the program and thank you very much and see you on 21st October for the second part of quiz competition. And the quiz component, the child component of the RCH program plus some aspects of geriatric health and adolescent health will be covered on 21st October. Thank you very much and have a great day.